Hi guys, welcome back to the Story Sneakers YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandy, also known as skd.jpg, and I'm here today to show you guys a pair that just actually arrived. I've been waiting on it to come for ages. I've been waiting on the release for ages, and I'm so excited to have it in hand. So I'm going to show you guys the Ambush Air Force Adjust that just came out in black and psychic purple, I think the colorway is called. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys. I've been waiting on it for a long time. Purple is my favorite color, so without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So the first things first, as always, the box. Now the classic, if you've seen the Ambush and Nike releases in the past, you'll be very familiar with this black box with just the classic Ambush print across it. Also other side, and we do have a swoosh as well. Actually, one thing I will say is, because this isn't a dunk, it's a nice size. It's not as big as the previous boxes, which obviously I know is just because Ambush has previously released bigger silhouettes. So it's nice to just have a nice little Ambush box because I love all the little details. And before we actually jump into the shoe, I did get a 6.5, so I did stay true to size, but I'll speak a little more on that on the wrap up. And then when you open the box, it's just the classic Ambush Nike paper, and then when you unwrap the paper, you get this delicious pair. Look at it, it's absolutely stunning. This purple, like this iridescent purple colorway that they've managed to make, and especially with the kind of the plastic on top, it just, the effect that it gives it is just chef's kiss. I'm absolutely obsessed. Look at it in the sun. Oh, it's just magical. You guys don't understand. Since these first got teased, I've been waiting for this pair to come out, and they're just sick. So this is the sole, speckled, the strap, got air at the bottom. It has very good grip. I don't know how familiar people are with Air Force Adjusts, but they're a very kind of militant shoe, I would say. If I was going to compare it to anything, I'd compare it to an up-tempo. I feel like you can do anything in the silhouette, and the grip is really good. It's like it's definitely going to hold everybody up in winter. Hold everyone up, hold everyone down in winter. Yeah, the back, we've got the strap, we've got the Nike emblem. My favorite, well, one of my favorite parts is this mini swoosh. My actual favorite part of the shoe is the strap. And for those that don't know what I mean when I call it a strap, you can actually take it off. And this is how. So the strap comes off, and then you've got just the actual shoe underneath, which again, it's stunning. This pair was £190, well, £189.95. So it's a little bit pricey, I can't lie. However, do I have any regrets when I saw the shoe? No. Do I think that we can all go on further down the line and keep paying £190 for shoes? Probably not. I don't think it was a smart decision on my behalf. However, I have no regrets. I think it's an absolute stunning shoe. I love the Ambush, and you have been able to kind of really create a female designed shoe but make it appealing to a kind of a male audience as well. I think that that's really important when we're focusing on kind of anything to do with females in the sneaker scene. It's definitely something that we like to showcase on this page as well. I think that we need to appeal to the masses, and although this was released as a men's shoe, it was designed by, you know, Ambush, Yoon, and it's a sick shoe. I can't say anything bad about it. QC is good. There are a bit of speckles kind of on there, which we're used to seeing on shoes that are, you know, have this kind of sole. We saw it on the Yeezys as well. But yeah, so that's what it looks like without the strap. The other shoe, again, same thing. So this is the comparison, kind of strap on or strap off. That's what you'll get. I just honestly, you don't understand this. I love it so much. Just see my thumbnail. Let's try them on.
One thing to note about this pair is that because of the Air Force Adjust, it's really padded inside. So you might want to size up 0.5, but do note that this might actually wear down over time, so you might end up with a looser shoe.
So guys, there you have it. That was my review of the Nike Ambush Air Force Adjust. I absolutely love this pair. I'm so excited to wear it. And on the topic of wearing it, actually, I thought I would do kind of a quick little how I would style. I'm not going to show you the full outfit, but I would style it with this kind of purple Supreme t-shirt. And also, as you saw in the video, my purple Cortez pants. And yeah, I think it's a very easy outfit. I think you can actually style this pair a million and one ways, especially because as soon as you remove the strap, it's just a black and white pair and it goes with literally absolutely everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please do subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.